Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. As we continue to have external restrictions put on our lives, I thought it'd be nice to share a very simple, quiet afternoon at home with a few things that I'm focusing on at the moment. For the outside world has changed and it can take time to adapt and adjust to the new surroundings, so I'm taking it slow and I'm going with each day as it comes. The first area I'm looking at is my perception. So sometimes we can have a certain perception, and after gaining new information, we can see the same thing in a whole new light. For some, a dandelion is an annoying weed that takes over the garden, and for others, it's a nutritious salad ingredient. Everyone's perception is unique and different. I found a change in my perception has given me a whole new experience. There are so many things we can't do at this time, so I'm focusing on what I can do no matter how small. What I love about planting seeds is that you get to watch the journey of the growing process. I find it a really rewarding process. I know that everything I'm doing now will show results further down the line, and all I need is some patience and trust. I only have a small amount growing in the garden at this time, but what I have I'm using to its fullest. Are you working?
Yeah, trying to like that.
Oh.
I kind of said to
The third thing I'm focusing on at the moment is resisting the urge to try and fix people's problems, and instead enjoy quality time spent online with friends and family,
trying to get this thing done.
where we're not always doing anything in particular, we're just being there with one another when we're doing daily activities around the house. And I find it a really nice way to connect with people I love. The fourth thing I'm focusing on is nourishing my body. There's huge benefits in eating fresh homemade food for the body and the mind. And nutritionists always encourage eating the rainbow, so I've been having fun adding extra variety to my meals. I'm really enjoying experimenting with different meals and cooking things that I wouldn't normally cook. It's really nice to go through different cookbooks and recipes online. and really spending that time finding new flavours and new creations.
No, it's real nice. I feel like it.
These are the raspberry leaves from before. It's very similar to the flavour of a light green tea. Never underestimate the power of slowing down. At this time, I've been embracing the need to rest, resisting the urge to fill every minute, and sitting in the sun, doing nothing and drinking tea. So I'd love to know how all of you are getting on at this time. Chat as always down below or over on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video as always. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next video.